assembly by Sandipani House. So let's start this assembly. As the day has been started, we should know what's today's day and date. So I would like to call Aditi Vyas from 2nd standard.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aditi Vyas and I am studying in 2nd standard. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Friday and today's date is 23rd August 2021. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
To make thoughtful day more thoughtful, I would like to call Tejas Kollapore from 3rd standard.
Good morning Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Tejas Kollapore from 3rd standard. Today I am going to tell you today's good thought. Today's good thought is happiness is not a something ready-made. It comes from your own action. Meaning, true happiness comes from within and a result of your own efforts and choice. Thank you and have a nice day.
History tells us what had happened in the past on this day. So I would like to call Divya Sarangi from 8th standard.
Good morning respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Divya Sarangi from grade 8. Standing before you to tell today's history. First, in 1964, K.K. Singh's birthday. Second, in 1916, Japan declared war against Germany. In World War II, National Space Day. Successful landing of Chandrayaan 3 on Moon. Thank you.
News tells us what is happening all around the world. So I would like to call Kiran from 7th standard.
Good morning everyone. Myself Kiran Vikram Nata from standard 7, standing before you to tell you today's news headlines. First, Mumbai to Goa travel time to be cut off 6 hours with the new Konkan Expressway. Second, footballer Cristiano Ronaldo launches new YouTube channel, crosses 10 million followers in a day. Third, PM Modi will visit Ukraine on Friday to discuss defense, economic relations and science and technology with the President Volodymyr Zelensky. Fourth, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, Day 3 of Democratic National Convention begins with a Vedic prayer. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Idioms make our language beautiful and make it more attractive. So I would like to call Sanvi Yadav from 5th standard.
Good morning respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to tell you idiom. So today's idiom word is all ears. I repeat my idiom word all ears, meaning fully listening and paying attention. Sentence. Go ahead, I am all ears. Tell me what's been on your mind. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Our life is incomplete without learning a new word, which is vocabulary of the day. So I would like to call Rafan Patel from 5th standard.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rafan Patel. I am studying in 5th class. Today I am telling vocabulary word. Today's vocabulary word is resilient. It's mean able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Sentence. Despite the setback, the team should resilient, span and bounce back to the win game. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Today we are celebrating Shri Tambe's birthday. Let's wish her with a happy birthday song. Happy birthday.
celebrate my birthday. Bottom of my heart. Thank you.